Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Ps5 account that owns the widgets because settings apply per user. Press the PS button to open Control Center, then navigate to the widgets icon using the D-pad or left stick. Once there, you need to access the widget list, highlight one widget, then press the Options button to reveal controls. Make sure your console is on the latest firmware, since menu names can shift. This avoids confusion as you remove items. Now you remove widgets one at a time. Highlight the widget you want gone, press Options, and choose Remove or Delete from the menu. You will see confirmation prompts. Confirm to proceed because that action unregisters the widget for this user. Once done with visible widgets, check for system widgets like GameBase or Party Tools. Some must be toggled off in settings rather than removed directly. Make sure to repeat these steps for every widget you no longer want. Finish by addressing any persistent widgets. Go to Settings and search for Widgets or Screen and Video to toggle persistent interface elements off, because some are controlled globally. Once adjusted, restart the Ps5 to refresh the control center and confirm all removals. If a widget still persists, boot into Safe Mode and choose Rebuild Database. That repairs corrupted indices that can keep UI elements stuck. If rebuilding fails, sign out and back into your PSN account, then retry. That often resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.